Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Tesla new website where they have the new Model Y performance. As you can see right now, it's really nice, right? Just the fascia in the front. Let's go back real quick. There we go, right there, the red caliper. And if you ordered by today, you will still qualify for the 7,500 tax credit. So let's go ahead and just click on it and see how much it is. All right, so as you can see right here, the long range Model Y right here, performance model, $49,990. And you see also check mark, and it's in September 30th, which is today. So if any of you guys out there that are waiting for it, I don't know why Tesla waited so late and to push it at the last day of the month. I think the reason why they're doing this is because they want to push out all of the current inventory, which is the regular Model Y, the long range rear wheel drive and the long range all wheel drive, right? So $8,000 and you get the performance right now, and still you don't get any free upgrades on this one. You're still just gonna, but however, you get this stealth gray color. It's still included in the price, right? But however, you want like a pearl white color, any other colors, you're gonna have to. The deep blue metallic, it is included. So the black diamond is also included. Quicksilver included. Ultra red included. Wow, all of them. Nice. It included, really nice. So I don't know about you guys, but if I'm gonna get to pick a color, I'm probably gonna go with the ultra red again, or maybe the white. But let's say just go with the red one. And you get a 21-inch wheel, the tow package here included, the all black leather included. Let's see if you go to the white interiors, it's also included, guys. That is crazy. Right? And if you here, give you the options to see the full self-driving. And you guys know that Tesla have been advertising heavily, and they're even promoting the full self-driving, right? They advertise on YouTube, Facebook, you name it. And as you can see right here, they actually show you the full self-driving. So Tesla should have done this long time ago, right? They waited so late, but it's better late than never, right? So you will see pricing right now, $59,000, all the stuff. Let's see, due today, edit savings. So here's the saving right here, $7,540, about $50,000 after the tax credit, right? And you gotta buy today, so that's the pinpoint right there. And depending on if you're in military, your first responders, teachers, and students, there's $1,000 off. And if you're a Lyft driver, they have a program for that as well. It's $1,000 off as well too. So I don't know if you guys, and I think you can available in December, which is not bad. And here's a breakdown of it: $57,000 right there. Everything is included. All the price of the 5 seats and everything included. Right, destination fees has been there, order fees still there, and today $250, and then you can pay the rest through either financing or paying it off. Right here, this will give you more details on the tax credit. So just make sure you qualified. I believe as long as you're individually filed under $150,000 and jointly it'll be under $300,000. So let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're in the market for a performance, maybe waiting until the last minute maybe is paying off, right? Here's a chance to get your performance. Sometimes before, when I got my dual motor, I kind of regret I should have gotten performance, but at that time I bought it off inventory. That back then the demand was really high, and and it's just bad. My timing of buying Tesla was terrible. It dropped like $13,000 after, and then $7,500 tax credit and all the stuff. So off the back, 3 weeks later, I lost like $20,000, and off the back, upside down. So, but Anyway, this video is about the performance, and if you're ready to make the purchase, make sure you place your order by today, guys, so that way you can qualify for the tax credit. And don't forget to use my referral credit to get the 3 full months of full self-driving. Other than that, thanks for watching. Be safe. Till next time.